Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to another Steam Boss video. Hope everyone's doing great today. So we have a little short one for you today. We are at a local screen printing shop here in Tampa, Florida that are having some issues with their carpet. They have a lot of spots on their carpet just from commercial use. So we're here to try to get it as best we can for them. I think it's gonna turn out really great. We're gonna be using the Super Spinner today. I don't think we've had that on the channel either. So we'll show you guys what's up with the Super Spinner. We're gonna use some Code Red, hit it with the CRB after some pre-vacuuming action. I think it's gonna turn out really well. Also, I just wanna say thanks to Chirographics for having us out today. They are a local small business and they're supporting us as a local small business. So we really appreciate them having us out. If you guys are in the local Tampa area and are looking for some screen printing, hit them up. I'll put a link in the description below. So for those of you who have never seen or heard of a Super Spinner, let me kind of show you what it is, because not everybody knows, I guess. So it's a pretty advanced cleaning tool here. So I showed you guys the zipper in a previous video. If you guys want to check that one, go check it out, link in the description below. But the Super Spinner, same concept where you can clean both ways. Excuse it being dirty because we did just use it, but as you can see, we have the two glides in the bottom, and the difference with this one is that we have the 4 jets, but they spin. So that's pretty cool. So you're able to, get the water squirting on there from all different angles, and it does a really, really great job, which you will see right now. Got a lot of spots kind of all over. Bill over here is pre-spraying. We'll get her scrubbed in. We've already vacuumed everything. Our main area of concern is over here. See, it's pretty riddled with spots. I think we're going to be able to get a lot, if not all of these out for sure. But I think the Super Spinner can handle it. What do you guys think? I think we got it. Couple little dots over there. Turning out really good so far. We got the worst part yet to go, but that's looking really good over there. So hopefully you can actually see on camera clearly where we've been already. It's pretty cool. See, the Super Spinner just cuts through the dirt. Look at that, huh? It's doing a really good job on this carpet. Look at that, cutting right through it. See, a lot of those came off really without anything but the Code Red. yeah, look at that over there. Turn out almost like new, I'd say.
Like a hot knife through butter.
Hot knife through butter, yep.
Really not in that bad a shape.
Nope, it's just
Just the type of stuff they use.
A few moments later.
all right, well, there you guys have it. We're pretty much all wrapped up here, but look how good this all turned out. Actually, better than kind of everybody expected, but it looks great. So that's gonna wrap up this one here, guys. Make sure you guys are subscribed. If you aren't, we really appreciate that. Throw this video a thumbs up for the Zipper Super Spinner. Make sure to check out all of our information, link in the description below, and we will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.